Follow the settings, then create it. First, we will add the background color. Go to the adjustment layer and click on solid color. Add the black color. Let's lock the layer. Take the text tool, then type the text and change its color to white. The used font link can be found in the provided description below. I am using the Morganite font for the text, which has the extra bold version. Let's transform it and adjust it. Let's convert the text layer to shape. Right click and convert to shape. Choose the direct selection tool. Select the lower portion of the text. So simply drag and adjust it as needed. Let's embed the shoe. Go to the file, click on place embedded. Adjust its placement. Now we will change its red color to yellow. Click on adjustment layer and click on hue and saturation. Create its clip-in mask. Then play with the hue to change the color. Select the text layer and create new layer. Pick the brush tool. Keep in mind the foreground color should be black. Adjust the brush size and softness. Then let's create a shadow. Adjust it now. Duplicate the shadow layer. Select both of the layers and adjust it. Lock all these layers now. Select the top layer. Take the text tool. Type your text. Change the color to white. Change the font to monstrate. Let's give it a yellow hue. Adjust this text as well. Select the rectangle selection tool. Now give it the same yellow color in the form of solid color. Let's adjust it. Let's type the text again. Change the color to black and play with the settings. Then adjust it. Let's do these extra adjustments. So your design is now completed. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more in-depth tutorials on social media post designs, click on the right side tutorial and watch that. Thank you.